Welcome back to the Line Story channel. Today topic is the dual legacy of British rule. The British Raj lasted for nearly 2 centuries, and its impact on India is a complex mix of modernization and severe economic exploitation. The British built a massive interconnected railway system across India while intended to move British troops and raw materials quickly. It ultimately united the country and boosted domestic travel. They introduced the telegraph, a unified postal system, a large scale irrigation canal, which modernized long distance communication and agriculture. The British established a centralized legal system, codifying laws, and introduced Western style university that produced a new generation of educated Indian leaders. Working alongside Indian social reformers, the British administration legally banned deeply harmful practices like sati and female infanticides. On the flip side, the British systematically drained Indian wealth, shifting its status from a global manufacturing giant to a mere supplier of cheap raw material for British factories. British policy prioritized exporting cash crops like grain and indigo for profit even during severe drought, which directly caused devastating famine that resulted in millions of Indian deaths. To protect textile mills back in England, the British placed heavy taxes on Indian goods, intentionally crippling India's world famous handloom and traditional manufacturing industry. To prevent unity against their rule, the British deliberately exploited and deepened religious and caste division among Indians, leaving behind legacy of social tension. Ultimately, while British rule left behind vital infrastructure and institutional framework, it came at the heavy cost of India's economic independence, political freedom, and millions of human lives. If you find the stories good, then please do like, share, subscribe, Tell Line Story channel to see additional video videos. So keep watching Tell Line Story channel. See you next video. Bye and take care.